See it. And here is, I'll show you a comparison. That's a 9mm right there. That's a 40, and that's a 45. And I do have laying around here somewhere a dummy round I made from a 45. See, here's some more 45 shells. Here's a this is a Blazer. This is a pretty nice shell. Here it is. What I did was I kind of messed it up because I jammed it in too much. That is a 45 caliber bullet, and that is the shell, and I put the bullet in the shell, but I messed it up, so yeah. And there's all different types of metals that are used for the shells. Like I think it's nickel, I believe. This is aluminum, a lot lighter than nickel and brass. See there, you can tell that's aluminum. This is the nickel, and this is the brass. So yeah, and brass usually tarnishes faster. See, this one's already tarnished and rusted. I kind of fixed it up a lot faster than the nickel and the aluminum. And the aluminum's a lot lighter than both of them. And over here I have some, here's one. I have some 30-30s. These are the 30-30s. Like lever action, if you ever seen the lever action rifle, most of the lever action rifles, I forget the name of the gun, the lever action version, but it's usually a 30-30, or it can be what's the other one? It's a 45 something. I gotta brush up on my history with guns. But anyway, it shows right there, it says 30-30 Win, which is Winchester, the abbreviation for Winchester. And there's them, and I have some more right there. Those are nickel, and then I have I think 2 brass ones. See, this one is 30-30 Winchester Super X. See there, hold on, I'm trying to get it. See, and that one's already starting to tarnish, if you can see. And if you don't know what tarnish means, it means like if you have a really nice, like brand new piece of brass, over time, if it's laying on the ground or say like in water or whatever, it'll start to deteriorate the brass. The different type of stuff will start to deteriorate it, and if you touch it a lot, the oils on your hands break down the metal over time. That's why I try not to touch my World War II brass too much, because I want to keep them in good condition. But anyway, and over here are my 30-06s. They're pretty nice size around. This is the military version of the brass. See, that's the military version of the 30-06. But if you look at the regular version, see, this is a nickel version. It just says 30-06. Well, yeah, hold on. Spring. See, there it is. And yep, those are the 30-06s. I have a bunch of them laying around. And there's different types of them. This is a practice ammunition because of the ring around the top of it. You can tell that's practice ammunition. This is another military version of the 30-06. And there's all different types of 30-06s. Alright, and over here is a SIG, a 357 SIG, yeah. The Luger, I believe the German Luger used the SIG round. I may be incorrect. I'm not quite sure. I know it was either a SIG or a 9mm, but I believe it was the SIG round. See that? That's a pretty nice size round. It's a little bit smaller than the 45. It's like about the size of a 40. Just it has a ridged top. And here's an older version I got in Tennessee, because I'm from Tennessee. See how the brass that was once like that, but it started to tarnish, so now it gets that dirt kind of color from over time. And over here, there's